This time we are going to learn about the gradual color. It also called color volume. So let's do the practice together. So get your color you like, okay? And you have to breaking down the color from dark, mediums, medium lights, lights, and super light. Okay? So I have to call it very, very dark, heavy. I have to use all the pressures from my hands on the pencils. Okay? And reduce the pressure a little bit, but don't reduce too much. Okay, it still looks dark, but brighter. Okay? And even more, reduce even more. And getting brighter and brighter. And it's super, super light. Okay, so we have dark, super dark, super dark, dark, light, so light, and super, super light. Okay, so how can we combat the color together? So now they are the breaking box, right? Now we have to make them look like a pair. Okay, so follow, see the arrow? So we have to change the color when we touch the arrow. So we have to color it very dark. Okay, we almost touched the arrow, so I have to reduce the pressures. Looks like the top. Okay, I almost touched this one, so I have to get the same color as the box. And even brighter, brighter, and brighter. Okay, now we can do the same size. We have to reduce the same volume into a smaller size or different size. Okay, so you can use different colors. So this time I use the orange. So same, so you have to control your hands muscles. Dark and reduce the pressures, even brighter and brighter and brighter. So the color has to go very, very smooth. Okay, and you can use the blue or other color you really like. Okay, so for the beginning you have to color is dark, then mediums, and light. Okay, and this is the final result on your joint.